Okay, this new use case in Manus AI, this is unlike anything I've seen from the other LLMs. Check this out. So I was on their use cases page and I found someone that had it edit a podcast interview into different MP3 clips. So I thought, okay, if it can edit MP3s, can it also edit videos? So I asked it, are you able to edit videos? It said, yes, I can help with video editing. I said, okay, can you turn this video, which is a 27-minute tutorial video, can you turn it into a step-by-step Twitter thread? And it said, yes, I can do that. So I gave it a Dropbox link. It downloaded the Dropbox link. Then it just started getting to work. It started transcribing the audio, and then it started extracting the video clips using Ubuntu and Sandbox. I don't know what that means. It just started making clips out of these videos. And then it wrote the Twitter captions. And then finally, here is the Twitter thread. So we have the different steps, 11 steps broken out perfectly. Just amazing. These things are now editing videos.